some shit one night at a party and she moved some money around and she wasn't supposed to do that.
Yeah, they're right.
Just lose the money like that.
They made more money after that too. She went crazy.
I love her, bro. She's so freaky.
What? How you know?
She freaky though. You just see the post where she was talking about how they came and installed her pool. Oh, this shit legendary. It don't sound nothing like no goddamn.
Radio check.
How you doing? Good. Driver's license, insurance for me? You turn that down a little bit while I'm talking to you. Where are you headed to today?
What's going on, officer?
You passed me going 56. Insurance?
I'm going down that.
No.
I actually don't have insurance.
Do you have insurance?
No, I just lost my insurance.
We didn't make a payment or something? Is it through like a company? Or, oh, okay. Okay. All right.
I got the app and everything. I even got a policy number that I used to have with them. I just don't got it no.
Not anymore? Okay.
But I had seen that. I was going down the hill. I did slow down after I had
56, man. Speed limit's 35.
Yeah,
You only brake because you saw me.
No, I started slowing down when I started slowing down before I had seen.
Okay. Do you have any other marijuana in the car?
No, I don't
No?
know.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to take a look to make sure that there isn't anything else, all right? Okay. All right. Do you have anything else on you I need to know about? Do you have any weapons, knives? Do you got a body in the trunk?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, where's work for you? Where's work?
They finna go to me. I'm actually
Okay. What time's work start?
supposed to be there at 9.
Oh, yeah, you're pretty late, huh? Okay.
I had fell asleep at this girl house.
Yeah?
And
That threw off your timing, huh?
yeah,
Okay. All right, I'll work with you here, all right? You just work with me and we'll get you to work, okay? 6229 radio. I'll be right back. You gotta put a PC search in the vehicle. Not with the register on it.
Copy.
Yeah, show me 10-3.
All right, let's take a step out real quick. That way we get through this. Get you to work, right? Watch yourself stepping out because traffic doesn't really slow down. Just step to the back of the car for me. Thanks.
I call my manager right quick.
Yeah, just turn, let me patch on, make sure you have weapons on you. Alright, I'll say we stand over here on this curb. Yeah, if you want to give him a call, just let him know you'll be a few minutes behind, but you're on your way, right?
It's all right.
Okay, perfect.
Hey, I ain't gonna make it. I pulled over. I pulled down the hill and I just
You stay with him?